So as you guys can see, I am fully decked out in fall apparel because I'm waiting for fall and Halloween. I am ready to share all the fun. I have the new Decocrated fall box to share with you. And for those of you that don't already know about Decocrated, it's a home decor subscription service that comes to your home seasonally so that you don't have to go and figure out how to match everything together, how to curate things together for your home. They do it for you. So let's get into this box and see what magic is in store this time. I get most excited for fall decor and then holiday decor, like Christmas decor. Those are the seasons that I like to decorate for the most. No offense to spring and summer, but fall is where it's at. So it says, welcome to fall. The leaves are changing. Say hello to fall. We designed a versatile collection to bring the autumn color palette into your home this season. Create the perfect tablescape, mantle, or entryway. The choice is yours. So let's see. So in the little envelope, I have these cute little stickers that I can put on my water bottle. I'll probably use some of those. Look how cute they are. I love the little gnome. And what does that say? Gourd vibes only. Wow, that's cute. And then, oh, yay, I love when they have these little inserts for frames because I think they're so beautiful and simple to put in a frame. I love that floral. But the other side says, gather here with grateful hearts, which is also beautiful. Love the color tones. And then they also have, of course, a little brochure that shows you how to decorate with the items that they're sending out with this box. But I'm not going to take a sneak peek of that yet until we see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, first thing is this sign. And they really package everything so nicely. It's all nicely bubble wrapped and individually packaged. I've never had anything wrong with my items. Oh my gosh, how cute. So it's just like a nice natural wood frame. And it says autumn pretty prominently there. But as you can see in the background, it also has all the sayings of autumn pretty much. Like all the things that you love about autumn. Very, very cute. I definitely think this will fit perfectly in my home. And then I'm just gonna keep unwrapping what's on the top here first. Oh, little pumpkins. I love pumpkins, you guys. Like pumpkins everywhere. Fall and Halloween, I have pumpkins everywhere. And look how cute these are. A nice little natural pumpkin and then one with like a check pattern. Another cute little sign. These are gonna be so cute in my living room area, but it says Hello Pumpkin on one side. And then you flip it over and it says Happy Halloween. I love things that are multi-purpose like this, especially when I transition very quickly from fall to Halloween. And this is perfect. I just can turn it right around and there you go. Genius, I love that. Okay, we got a few more things. Ooh, we've got some florals here. It looks like some pretty leaves. Let me see, I'll have to look up the name of the exact kind of leaf this is. But oh, I love stuff like this to, like they said, to put on your mantle or to put on your dining room table. Or we have a piano that we like to decorate and put things like this on top of. Endless possibilities, a beautiful garland. I love the leaves. I like the style of the leaf. Okay, I think there might be one or two more items still. So much this time. I should have got my scissor. You guys, I think this might be a tiered tray. And if you've been following me for a while, then you know I love me a good tiered tray. And this is like a matte black too. And I think it's just a 2-tier tray. Or maybe there's more and I'm missing something still. And here's like the I think it is a 2-tiered tray. But it's like a really nice one. And I don't have anything like this, surprisingly. I was right, look how cute this tray is. I love it, you guys. I love the matte black. I pretty much love everything about how simple it is. So it will go so well with pretty much every season. But I can't wait to show you how I decorate that for both seasons. Okay, we've got one last package. We outdid themselves this time. I think this is some kind of candle holder too in a matte black metal. It's so nice. Okay, so I think this is the base. And then we've got 3 pieces here. Let me put this together. Okay, here it is put together and assembled. I love these pieces. You guys, I think this is the best Decocrated box I've ever received so far. And I've had a full year's worth of boxes previously. This is a really good deal. You get this piece. You have to obviously buy your own candles to put on top, but so pretty. You get this beautiful tiered tray. And then you have this cute piece that you could totally put inside of that tray. And then the garland, as well as these two pieces. With the double. So that's a really good deal. So like I said, I'll leave all the information down below for you to check out if you'd like. I do believe I have a discount for you too, because I am, they do send me this box for review purposes. So I do have an affiliate link for you guys. So I will leave that. And please let me know down below what your favorite piece was from this. And I'll be sharing all about how I use these pieces on my vlogs, as well as on my Instagram at Melissa Rose Bruner.